Do you want to speak English naturally when you talk about your daily life? Not textbook English, not strange or robotic sentences, but real English that people actually use every day. Welcome to Very Simple English, a podcast designed to help you build real-life English fluency step by step. In this episode, you will practice simple, natural English sentences that describe a normal day, from the moment you wake up until the moment you fall asleep at night. This lesson is slow, clear, and easy to follow. You don't need to rush. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to listen, repeat, and stay consistent. This episode focuses on daily routine English, the kind of English you use when talking to friends, coworkers, classmates, or teachers, the kind of English you use when explaining your day, your habits, and your lifestyle. Let's begin with the morning. I usually wake up early in the morning. The first thing I do is turn off my alarm. Sometimes I feel tired, and sometimes I feel refreshed. I lie in bed for a few minutes and think about my plans for the day. After that, I get out of bed and stretch my body. I go to the bathroom and wash my face. I brush my teeth and look in the mirror. Then I change my clothes and get ready for the day. If I have time, I make my bed. A clean room helps me feel calm and focused. Next, I go to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. Some days I make coffee or tea. Other days, I drink a glass of water first. I might eat something simple like eggs, toast, or fruit. While eating breakfast, I check my phone or listen to music. Sometimes I think about my goals and what I want to achieve today. After breakfast, I start my morning activities. If I work or study, I prepare my materials. I check my schedule and make sure I know what I need to do. I try not to rush, because rushing makes me stressed. I prefer to start my day slowly and calmly. Now let's talk about the late morning and afternoon. During the day, I focus on my work or studies. I answer emails, attend meetings, or study my lessons. I try to stay organized and productive. Sometimes I feel motivated, and sometimes I feel tired. When I feel tired, I take a short break. I might stand up, stretch, or drink some water. Taking small breaks helps me stay focused. If I feel hungry, I have a light snack. I try not to skip meals because energy is important. Around midday, I eat lunch. Lunch is usually simple and quick. I don't like heavy food in the middle of the day. After lunch, I feel a bit sleepy, but I try to stay active. I remind myself that the day is not over yet. In the afternoon, I continue working or studying. This is often the most challenging part of the day. My energy goes up and down. I try to stay positive and finish my tasks one by one. When I complete something, I feel satisfied. Now let's move to the evening. In the evening, my day starts to slow down. I finish my work and prepare to relax. I might go for a short walk or do light exercise. Physical movement helps clear my mind. After that, I take a shower and change into comfortable clothes. Dinner time is usually calm. I eat with my family or alone, depending on the day. I try to enjoy my food and not rush. Sometimes I watch something while eating. Other times, I prefer silence and rest. After dinner, I relax. I might watch a movie, listen to a podcast, or scroll on my phone. Sometimes I read or practice English. I believe small daily practice makes a big difference. I don't try to do everything perfectly. I just try to be consistent. Now let's talk about nighttime. At night, I prepare my body and mind for sleep. I turn off bright lights and lower the volume around me. I try not to use my phone too much before sleeping. I reflect on my day and think about what I did well. If something didn't go well, I remind myself that tomorrow is a new day. Before going to bed, I brush my teeth and wash my face again. I change into my pajamas and lie down. Sometimes I feel sleepy quickly. Other times, my mind is busy. When that happens, I take deep breaths and relax. Finally, I close my eyes and fall asleep. Rest is important. Sleep helps me recharge and prepare for tomorrow. This is how I describe my daily routine in English. Simple sentences, natural expressions, real-life English. You don't need complex words to sound fluent. You need clear sentences and confidence. Practice listening. Practice repeating. Practice speaking out loud. Use this lesson every day if you want. Listen again. Repeat again. Build your fluency slowly and naturally. English is not about speed. English is about clarity and comfort. Take your time. You are improving. Thank you for listening to Very Simple English Podcast. Keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep speaking.